Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar, exploring the first mixed reality multiplex. Kubity displays SketchUp and Revit models seamlessly across any screen anywhere. Really? But did you know Kubity is much more than just a visualizer? The powerful 3D crystallization engine adds features like cinematic fly-through tour, augmented reality, one-on-one scale immersive virtual reality, screen mirroring, and on-the-go offline access. Join today Kubity CPO Nicolas Vasseur and Erin Straniak for an introduction to the latest in 3D storytelling technology. And Nicolas has a degree in computer vision engineering and is passionate about the potential of mixed reality. After realizing the need for interactive 3D models on the web, he joined forces with a group of software engineers and 3D experts. And there you go, Kubity was founded. But let me tell you a little bit about Novedge and what we do. Novedge is one of the largest online stores for design software, and we offer a huge assortment of software solutions that cater to virtually every designer's need. And you can see now our product page for this new brand, Kubity, where you can find Kubity PRO and test it immediately. And I want to remind you that for more daily software news and limited time promotion, you can always find us on Facebook or plus Twitter. And our next Novedge webinar will be on the new MathCAD. And I also want to remind you that I'm recording this webinar. So if you need to run, you can watch it over and over on our YouTube and Vimeo channel. And now I'm going to pass the screen to Nicolas and Erin so they can show you what Kubity is all about. Can't wait.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Erin, the Chief Brand Officer at Kubity, and I have here with me Nicolas, our CPO, and we'll be introducing Kubity Multiplex today. So first of all, I just want to show a quick little video that showcases a little bit about what we're all about and how all of our apps work together. So go ahead. So the Kubity Multiplex, we're more than just a visualization tool. We're a communication tool, a coordination tool, a presentation tool, and an exploration tool. And it's super easy to use to get your 3D on any device in just 3 steps. First, you export. You use the Kubity Exporter plugin to go directly from SketchUp or Revit to the Kubity PRO desktop app. Once inside the app, our crystallization engine automatically optimizes your model and assigns it a QR code, which you scan using Kubity Go on your mobile to get AR, VR, and screen mirroring with our full suite of apps. Kubity Go is the mother app, and then we have Kubity VR for virtual reality using Google Cardboard and other VR viewing devices. Kubity AR, which is our augmented reality app to put your Revit and SketchUp models in augmented reality. And our brand new screen mirroring app called Kubity Mirror to control and present your models on any device straight from your smartphone or tablet. So the first step, as we showed, is to export your SketchUp or Revit by using the Kubity exporter, which you can download in the SketchUp extension store or the Revit extension shop. So you just click on the little icon there to export your model into the Kubity PRO desktop app. And once that's done, you can launch your model.
We'll restart it just to be sure. So as you can see here, it's the SketchUp file. Here you have the button to export. Automatically, the Kubity desktop app is opened, and your model will be optimized and ready to be shown on your mobile phone. So here, as you can see, the model is being optimized at 37%. We're rating it's a really big model, as you can see in SketchUp. It's really complex model, more by 8 billions of polygons, and we will reduce this to about 2 millions. That's the crystallization phase, to display it on any devices. So here we are in Kubity desktop, and as you can see, we have the same file. You can go around easily. You can make a tour. The tour is the scene of your SketchUp file that you set before, and you can walk on inside your model. So you just drop the little pigment and go inside your model. You can walk at the in first person to see your model. You can also change the time of the day, for example. And here we go. Here you can change the time of the day. The Kubity is geolocalized, and the information are just provide from the SketchUp file. So then, the most important feature are here. You can have your model just in one click, in web, on mobile, in augmented reality, in virtual reality, or in VR with headsets, professional headset like Oculus or Vive. Just let's see the mobile. So you click on the mobile and you will have a QR code. I will show you another screen on the left. That's our mobile, and it's Kubity Go. The new application will be online tomorrow. You can scan the QR code of your model, as you can see, and when you scan it, your model is downloaded on your phone. After that, you can watch it offline. In the mobile, you will have exactly the same features. So you can turn in around your model, zoom in, pan, rotate. You can change the light. You can walk on your model. You drop your little pigment and walk inside. You can make the tour that you set on SketchUp if you are not really good in a 3D. And you have a button to change the rendering as a clay rendering. So it's a white rendering. Then, if you're lost, you have the reset button. From here, you can go to all our applications. So you can share this model easily by scanning the QR code or send it by native application, or you can watch it in augmented reality, in virtual reality, or you can mirror it. So we will see today the augmented reality. So let's go. He downloaded the model. Kubity AR, sorry, is another application. So you just have to scan your environment, and then your model will be placed automatically. I will show you another model more convenient for us, because we are in a small office and we are not outside. So let's go for a smaller project. So here we are. We can move it easily. And as you can see, you can change the object of places, and when it's placed, you can move it up and down. When it's placed, you can move it around and see it on augmented reality. If you want to change it of a place, you have the surface button to detect a new surface. For example, the button scale 1, just put your model in scale 1 if it's a really big model like house or building. The axis button is good to change the object to moving up or down or on the surface. Then you can snap your model and take a picture of it and share it. You can save it on your mobile or send it by any native apps. So that's this application. Kubity PRO is available for iPhone and last Android devices. For technical reason, we cannot show you the VR on mobile because we cannot make mirroring on it, but you can try it by yourself. The application is free. There is a free model inside. It's exactly the same ID and the same used of this application. But today we can show you the mirror app. So if you want to use the mirror app, you just click on the QR code, and then so I will open Kubity Mirror on my device. Kubity Mirror is on your left. So I will scan the QR code. It's loading. This tool is good for presentation. For example, if you have a person to do of a 3D model, you can watch and control your models from your phone and display it on any screen. So on the left, you can see my phone. On the right, you can see the screen as a TV or any screen. And if I move on the left, you can see the model is moving exactly as the same on the right. That's the Kubity Mirror application. Okay, and on the desktop app, so I cut the mirror. On the desktop app, as I said before, you have the cardboard application. I just can't see you how it's working because we cannot make the mirror with it today for technical reason. But try it. You can find it on Play Store or App Store, and it's working with any cardboard. With any model is as simple as we saw.
So all of the mobile applications, Kubity Go, Kubity AR, Kubity VR, and Kubity Mirror are free to download and to use. The only thing that you would pay for is a $199 yearly licensing fee to access the Kubity PRO desktop app, which allows you to export an unlimited number of SketchUp or Revit models into Kubity PRO in order to assign them that dedicated QR code, which allows you to access them on the mobile apps. But the mobile apps for your clients are completely free to download and to use, and it would be you who would provide the QR codes for your models. The Kubity suite of applications allow you to several benefits, which is to build smarter because it allows you to interpret real-world spatial relationships alongside digital information, especially with the Kubity AR companion app. It allows you to avoid costly mistakes and resolve feasibility issues before you break ground. And it also allows you to communicate your vision with greater clarity and with real-time design validation by sending your Revit files directly to your clients. And it also allows you to give that big wow effect and impact emotions through these exciting immersive experiences that are quite simple to access. It would be great if we could show you the wonderful feature in Kubity VR, but I encourage you all to try out the app. You can download the Kubity desktop app for free and give one little model a go, or if you download Kubity VR on your mobile phone, there's a sample model that you can check out. And that would allow you to try our cool magic window feature, which is glasses-free VR. So you don't even need to have any kind of special equipment to experience the model in virtual reality, which is really cool for clients.
Yeah, that is amazing. That when I heard that you could go Oculus free or headset free, I was like, wow, everybody should download it right now and try it out. I think it's a very smart investment. But that's just
and
my
all
opinion.
of the Kubity mobile apps are free to download, and they all come with a sample model to check out all of the features. So I encourage everyone to go on the App Store, go on Google Play, search for Kubity, and just check out the full suite of apps to see how it could work for you.
Yeah, I get a feel for it because it looks very impressive right here on screen, and there's were removed. I wonder if you if you have your phone in front of you and you can place objects one-on-one in front of you. I think that's a big plus, especially when you have to convince clients to go one way rather than another in design. And I think it would be a great perk for any architect designer. So great. Anything else you want to show you? I forgot to let everybody know that they can ask questions at any time. So if you want to ask questions for the Kubity team, you just type them in the question tab on your control panel. Type them in and we'll read them live. Anything you can think of, ask away. And we'll be here waiting for your intervention, feedback, ideas. And otherwise, anything else you wanted to show or?
No,
Okay.
it should be okay.
Cool. No, that was, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I think I'm going to download and play around with it a little bit as soon as we hang up. So, and I will wait for a question another couple of minutes, and then we'll, I think everybody just left and downloaded it. They went to download it. I know that. Or they're getting ready for, to watch the World Cup. So, which is all good, all good. Well, okay, I don't see any question, but I keep my eyes peeled open for them if they appear. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the screen back and show my screen again to thank everybody who joined us today. And I want to show our page, the Novedge page, where you can, sorry, this is the wrong slide for some reason. That's great. There it is. This is the page where you can find Kubity PRO. You go to novedge.com and then we're divided by brand on top, or you can just type in the product and you should, the search will be activated. And I think it's a pretty good deal. And after you download it and you tried it, you liked it, come back to us. And I also want to let you know that this webinar is being recorded, so we can you can show it to friends and show them what Kubity is all about. And I don't see any question. I think everybody's either downloading and play with it. That's what I think. And thanks for joining us today. And I want to thank the Kubity team. This was really fun. And let me see. There might be a question. Okay. Do you think the Rhino will be supported in the future?
Today, if you want to use Rhino, you can easily export your project in a SketchUp file. It's working very well, and you just drop the SketchUp file here. But for 2019, we hope we will have a plugin directly in Rhino.
That would be great. That's great news that you can use it already, but to have a dedicated plugin for Rhino, I think, a lot of potential. Great. Okay. Thanks again for joining us today. And remember to download Kubity right now or first thing after the game. Thank you, Nicolas and Erin. One more question. Sorry. Okay. We're all here. Okay, I think our listener is typing the question, so we don't want to. Okay, okay. One more question. We're waiting. No worries. That's what we're here for. Otherwise, we would have a webinar recorded, and we like the live interaction, and we like to have our developer here with us to talk to you and get real-time feedback. Okay, will it work with V-Ray rendered models?
Sorry,
can you repeat that?
Can you repeat the question?
Will
please?
Kubity work with V-Ray rendered models?
You mean V-Ray inside
V-Ray.
SketchUp?
Probably, yes. Or maybe inside Rhino. But probably SketchUp because you have to import from SketchUp.
Yeah, but unfortunately, it's not compatible with V-Ray because V-Ray is like a plugin over SketchUp, and we cannot access it for the moment, and we only keep the SketchUp files and SketchUp data.
Okay, I get it. Yeah. Okay, well, good enough. And thanks for all the questions. Yes, thank you for being here and interact with us. And thank you for the feedback. And that's it. If the questions are exhausted, I will say goodbye and good night to the Kubity team. And till next time, thanks for joining us today. Bye-bye. Have a great rest of the day.
Bye, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.